Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to factory reset a Realme phone. So let's get started. First, open Settings on your Realme phone. Then scroll down and tap on System and Updates. In System and Updates, find and tap on Backup and Reset. Here, find and tap on Reset Phone. Now you will see different reset options. To completely reset your phone, tap on Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Before continuing, make sure to back up your important data, because this process will delete everything from your device. Once you are ready, tap on Erase All Data. You will be asked to verify your identity. Unlock using your Set Lock method. After that, confirm again by tapping Erase All Data. Your phone will now start the reset process and restart automatically. This may take a few minutes. Once it's done, your Realme phone will be like new. And that's it. You have successfully factory reset your Realme phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.